Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. Today we're doing something very exciting today. I'm going to be showing you the difference between kinky straight eye tips and kinky curly eye tips. This will be coming from the SL Raw Virgin Hair Collection. What's great about SL Raw Virgin Hair Collection of eye tips is that they come in 50 pieces. However, a lot of times you may get 60 to 65 pieces, which is a great bang for your buck. I'm going to be showing you the difference between the kinky straight on the left side of our mannequin and then the kinky curly on the right side of our mannequin. This is going to help you to determine which one works best for you. This is the kinky straight 16-inch eye tips. This is their 50-piece bundle. And as I told you before, we're going to be installing this on one side of our mannequin's head today. I will also be installing the 16-inch kinky curly eye tip, and this is also their 50-piece collection. And I'll be installing this on the opposite side. This is going to be a great benefit for you guys to be able to see the difference and to see exactly which one will work best for you. I want you guys to keep watching as I start. Before we begin installing, I want to show you guys a preview of how her hair looks, and then I can go ahead and start. In most cases, when getting a Microlink install, you may start closer to the nape area, but for the demonstration of this video, I decided to start near the occipital of the bone so you guys can get a closer view exactly on what I'm doing. Currently right now, what I'm installing is the 16-inch kinky straight eye tip. One of the great benefits for the kinky straight eye tip, you'll be able to pretty much do any style that you like. It's great for people who wear blowout styles or someone who's just looking for a more natural look, because you don't want it bone straight looking, or you don't want it ultra silky. The kinky straight is a great benefit for that because it looks really close to our African American hair, and also any individual who may have texture in their hair. Another great benefit for the kinky straight eye tips is they hold curls very well and they look very full and voluminous. Also, this hair can be colored. It can be colored up to a 613. However, I would suggest that you be careful because anytime you're coloring human hair extensions, you are altering the hair. So I would advise maybe doing like a honey blonde if you want to go light. But for the most part, they look very great in its natural state. Now that we're completed installing 50 pieces of the kinky straight, we're going to go ahead and move on to the kinky curly. One of the great benefits for installing the kinky curly eye tips is that you get the best of both worlds. You get the option to wear it curly, or you get the option to wear it with body curls or straight. You've probably seen in one of my demonstration videos in the past that I did with a Microlink install using kinky curly hair. I'll be sure to leave a link at the top so you guys can view it if you don't know what I'm talking about. But in the video, you'll notice that I install the kinky curly hair, but I blow them out and I put some body curls in it, and the curls look fabulous. But when she washes her hair and shampoos it, she also has the option to wear it curly. So these are one of the great benefits when comparing the kinky straight and the kinky curly. We are all finished. I installed 50 pieces on each side of different textures so you guys can get a good close side by side. As you can see, with the curly side, you have a lot more volume. It looks even more dense than the kinky straight side. However, with the kinky straight side, it is a little bit more tamed. However, you still get to get that realistic look if you wanted to just wear a natural blowout style, or you just wanted to add just a few bumps, just a little bit of style and shape. Overall, this is a great alternative from the traditional sew-in or any type of weaving technique of that matter, especially if you want to get away from wigs and you kind of want to feel the wind through your hair, you want to feel the mobility of being able to move your hair around, pull it up. Eye tips is the way to go because you get that option and that freedom, and it also looks very realistic. It's undetectable, and a lot of times when you touch your hair you can't really feel it to the touch. So I hope this was a very helpful video. Until next time, I look forward to speaking with you all later.